Some breaking news now coming in on Bihar government formation. Remember, all parties of the NDA are holding their meetings, and now news coming in that Samrat Chaudhary has been elected as leader of the BJP Legislative Party, Vijay Sinha as the deputy leader. Both these leaders were deputy chief ministers in the previous NDA government in the state. And let's see what happens tomorrow when the swearing-in ceremony takes place. And we do know the BJP has, this is all according to sources, of course, that there will be two deputy chief ministers. So will it be Samrat Chaudhary and Vijay Sinha again? But the big breaking news are coming in. Samrat Chaudhary elected as leader of the BJP Legislative Party and Vijay Sinha as the deputy leader.
पार्टी को बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं। पार्टी ने इतना बड़ा दायित्व दिया, लगातार पार्टी के द्वारा दायित्व दिया गया है जिससे बिहार का विकास किया जाए। हाँ, लगातार।
All right, let's go across to Aishwarya for more on this story. And Aishwarya, we're keeping a close eye on all these developments ahead of the big swearing-in ceremony tomorrow, and the news coming in that Samrat Chaudhary elected as leader of the BJP Legislative Party, Vijay Sinha deputy leader. One wonders if both of them are once again going to be the deputy chief ministers.
Well, certainly, that's the clue that is coming out from that big meeting of the Bharatiya Janata Party, where the legislative party leader had been declared Samrat Chaudhary, becoming the Bharatiya Janata Party legislative party leader. The deputy leader is Vijay Sinha. Both of them were the deputy chief ministers of Bihar in the earlier Nitish Kumar government, and in most likely, the same formula will be repeated again as far as the Nitish 10.0 government is concerned. There were two separate meetings that were taking place in Patna. It was BJP Legislative Party meeting and JDU Legislative Party meeting. Both have ended now. Of course, the JDU, the sources have told us that Nitish Kumar has been appointed their leader, so he'll be swearing in as a chief minister for the 10th time of Bihar tomorrow, when the mega grand oath-taking ceremony will take place at Gandhi Maidan in Patna. What the sources are also clearly stating that it will be, apart from Nitish Kumar, 20 MLAs would be taking oath for the minister, both from the Bharatiya Janata Party, JDU, LJP Ramvilas, HAM and the RLM quota, and the expansion will happen later. But as the big news coming out from Patna after the BJP Legislative Party meeting ended, Samrat Chaudhary being appointed as their leader and deputy leader is Vijay Sinha. So both of them could be retained, as sources clearly indicated that there will be two deputy chief ministers from Bharatiya Janata Party quota.
That's right, Aishwarya. We've often seen with Prime Minister Modi and the BJP that they like to keep status quo even after the elections. Though there was some indications from NDA leaders that there could be some sort of surprise that the NDA will be meeting jointly today in Patna at 3 p.m.
Well, yesterday when we spoke to Sanjay Jha, it was, after the meeting at Home Minister's residence. BJP President JP Nadda was also there, Lalan Singh was also there. It was Mr. Sanjay who stated that the formula could be repeated yet again. There would be same formula. The Bharatiya Janata Party will keep the speaker's post. The deputy speaker will be given to the JDU, with two deputy chief ministers to the Bharatiya Janata Party. It is their prerogative to who they appoint their leader. And today when the legislative party met, they appointed Samrat Chaudhary as their leader. So kind of status quo, the kind of work in progress that was going on, the kind of agenda that was driven by the Nitish government of development, as being claimed by many in the NDA, that needs to continue. And most of the former ministers, we have been told, also will be retained this time as well, with some new inclusions, with the combination of the community and also young and experienced, and a new sort of cabinet will come out. But certainly a status quo is maintained. Most likely the leader and the deputy leader, both Samrat Chaudhary and Vijay Sinha, would be appointed as the deputy chief ministers of Bihar, is what we've been told.